I have in front of me a letter which has been received by two people in my constituency of Krishnanagar, Nadia. The letter has been sent to Ashad Sheikh and to Shanju Shai Sheikh. And the letter is from, as you can see, from the Videshi Nyadhikaran Jorhat. It is from the Foreigners Tribunal, the NRC department of Jorhat, Assam. And they have sent letters in the Assamese language to two residents, long-term residents, valid Indian citizens residing in the Dhulia area of Krishnanagar 2 block of Nadia district of West Bengal. They are asking these citizens of India to please produce documents to show that they are valid citizens and to show that they have a connection to Assam before 25th March 1971. This kind of letter has been received before by people in Kuch Bihar in Bengal, and we just want to bring to everyone's attention exactly what kind of nonsense the BJP government is up to, and they want to create panic and they want to basically scaremonger everybody into sending these letters. The Assam government and the NRC department of Assam has no business whatsoever in sending letters like this to residents of Bengal and valid Indian citizens. We completely condemn this, and you have no right to do it. And if the Assam government were to do anything in the days forward, following up on this completely illegal methods, then they will receive a very just and fitting reply from the government of West Bengal and from the people of West Bengal.
What kind of steps should taken? Who are
Nobody should react to this. This piece of paper is worth nothing. The Assam government has no right to send letters from the Foreigners Tribunal to residents of West Bengal and bona fide citizens of India. You have absolutely no right. So I want to tell everyone that the Assam government and various BJP governments are doing this kind of nonsense, scaremongering and trying to create panic among people. We, the government of West Bengal, all of us public representatives stand by our people, and we will not let this happen.
বাংলা খবর, আপনার রাজনীতি, আপনার আওয়াজ।